Right, hi guys, and welcome back to Paddy Does Cars. If you haven't, could you please like, subscribe and share. This is a £400 car that I bought, hopefully going to turn it into a £1,000 car. So I will show you around it and then basically let you know what I've got to do. Headlights want a quick clean. As far as I know, it's just drop links, bottom arm. 400 quid though, you can't really go wrong. Sorry about the shaking of the camera. The inside needs a good clean. Smells foisty. And it's got a tow bar on it. So if you would, please subscribe and follow up for the next one when I'm getting it ready for doing. Thank you. Bye bye.